Hello everyone, my name is Sean Hawes. Today, I'll be talking about the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, FMCSA, regulations and a proposed rule on speed limiting devices for commercial motor vehicles, also known as CMVs. The focus will be on understanding how these regulations impact motor carrier safety and operations. Let's dive into the topic of motor carrier safety regulations. According to the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, FMCSA, this presentation will focus on FMCSA regulations, specifically the proposed rule regarding speed limiting devices for CMVs. These regulations aim to improve safety on the roads by reducing fatalities and injuries in crashes involving large vehicles. I will also explain how these regulations impact motor carrier operations and the transportation industry as a whole. Now, let's move on to why I chose to focus on this set of regulations. I chose these regulations because I'm interested in how safety measures, like speed limiting devices, can enhance road safety, especially within the transportation industry. According to National Archives, 2025, speed limiting devices are crucial because they aim to reduce the severity of crashes involving large vehicles, potentially saving lives. Motor carriers are key players in freight transportation, and their safe operation is critical for public safety. Let's now look at an overview of the key regulations. According to Fried Goldberg, 2024, the FMCSA enforces several safety regulations for commercial motor vehicles, including hours of service rules, drug testing, and vehicle inspections. A key regulation being proposed, as noted by the National Archives, 2025, is for CMVs with a gross vehicle weight rating, GVWR, over 26,000 pounds to be equipped with speed limiting devices. These devices would restrict the vehicle's maximum speed, aiming to reduce crash severity and fatalities. Let's move on to the details of the proposed speed limiting device rule. According to the National Archives, 2025, and Regulations.gov, 2024, the FMCSA, in collaboration with the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, has proposed a rule to limit the speed of heavy vehicles. For CMVs with a GVWR over 26,000 pounds, the Engine Control Unit, ECU, would set the vehicle's maximum speed to 60, 65, or 68 miles per hour. This regulation is designed to reduce high-speed crashes that often lead to fatalities and severe injuries. Now, let's take a look at how these speed-limiting devices can actually affect crash outcomes. According to the National Archives, 2025, and Regulations.gov, 2024, the FMCSA, in collaboration with the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, has proposed a rule to limit the speed of heavy vehicles. For CMVs with the GVWR over 26,000 pounds, the Engine Control Unit, ECU, would set the vehicle's maximum speed to 60, 65, or 68 miles per hour. This regulation is designed to reduce high-speed crashes that often lead to fatalities and severe injuries. Now, let's take a look at how these speed-limiting devices can actually affect crash outcomes. According to Fried Goldberg, 2024, the expected benefits of the speed limiter rule include reducing fuel consumption, lowering greenhouse gas emissions, and saving lives. The rule could lead to annual fuel savings and a significant reduction in emissions, amounting to an estimated $848 million for vehicles set to 60 miles per hour. The primary safety benefit, as mentioned by National Archives, 2025, is that reducing the maximum speed of CMVs will make highways safer, decreasing the severity of crashes involving large vehicles. Let's now consider some of the challenges and concerns regarding these devices. While speed-limiting devices offer many safety benefits, there are concerns from the trucking industry. According to Regulations.gov, 2024, some drivers worry about longer delivery times and reduced productivity. Additionally, speed differentials between trucks and passenger vehicles could lead to dangerous driving behaviors. There are also challenges in retrofitting older vehicles and maintaining these devices. Now, let's look at a summary of the impact of the proposed rule. The proposed speed limiter rule, as noted by National Archives, 2025, aims to reduce crash severity by setting maximum speed limits on commercial vehicles. While the rule faces some opposition, it's clear that reducing speeds on CMVs will contribute to safer roads and fewer fatalities. The regulations aim to balance safety improvements with potential operational costs, ensuring that the benefits outweigh the challenges. Now, let's conclude with what I've learned from this research. Through this research, I learned that safety regulations like speed limiting devices play a vital role in reducing fatalities and injuries in the transportation industry. According to Fried Goldberg, 2024, the FMCSA's proposed rule could have a significant positive impact on safety, though the economic impact on the trucking industry needs careful consideration. In combination with technologies like automatic emergency braking, speed limiting devices can help reduce the risks associated with high-speed crashes and improve overall road safety. Thank you for your attention.